Sorting arrays in NumPy by column. How do I sort a NumPy array by its nth column? For example, given I want to sort the rows of A by the second column to obtain
Steve's answer is actually the most elegant way of doing it. For the correct way, see the order keyword argument of numpy.andArray.sort. However, you'll need to view your array as an array with fields, a structured array. The correct way is quite ugly if you didn't initially define your array with fields. As a quick example, to sort it and return a copy. To sort it in place. Steve's really is the most elegant way to do it, as far as I know. The only advantage to this method is that the order argument is a list of the fields to order the search by. For example, you can sort by the second column, then the third column, then the first column by supplying order equals F1, F2, F0.
To sort by the second column of A,
you can sort on multiple columns as per Steve Choa's method by using a stable sort like merge sort and sorting the indices from the least significant to the most significant columns. This sorts by column 0, then 1, then 2.
in case someone wants to make use of sorting at a critical part of their programs, here's a performance comparison for the different proposals. So, it looks like indexing with argsort is the quickest method so far.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.